Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy cucumber salad. We will start by gathering our fresh ingredients. You will need 2 to 3 crisp cucumbers, 1 small red onion, and a handful of fresh dill. For the simple dressing, have ready some vinegar, olive oil, sugar, salt, and black pepper. Having all your ingredients chilled beforehand will ensure a refreshing final dish. Next, let's prepare our star ingredient, the cucumbers. Begin by washing and thinly slicing 2 to 3 medium cucumbers. You can use a mandoline for uniform slices. Place these slices into a colander and sprinkle them with about 1 teaspoon of salt. Let them sit for 15 to 20 minutes. This crucial step helps draw out excess water, preventing a watery salad. Now, let's create our flavorful dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of your preferred vinegar and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then, add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Once the cucumbers are drained, gently combine them with the thinly sliced red onion and the fresh dill in a large bowl, then pour over the dressing. Finally, for the best taste, chill your cucumber salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This resting period is essential as it allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully, creating a more harmonious and refreshing dish. Before serving, give it a gentle toss and garnish with a little extra fresh dill for a vibrant and appealing finish. Enjoy your homemade salad.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.